Hey, Chris here. So, now we're going to get to some Rasgueado exercises, and this particular one is using your pinky, which admittedly isn't used too much, not as much in modern flamenco, but in traditional flamenco used a ton, okay? Um, but it's still good to work it out, and I actually use it. As I've matured in my flamenco guitar playing, I use my pinky more and more, uh, just to add variety in my rasgueo. Okay, I started out really not hardly ever using my pinky, and now I use it a lot more, and it just gives me a lot more options, and I use it for a bunch of different purposes. So anyway, it's important to work, and because if you don't work it, you ain't gonna have it. Okay, so this one just does eighth notes and then quintuplet, a 16th note quintuplet, so 5 hits, and we're going up with that index finger. We're going pinky, ring, middle, index, up with the index finger. Okay, so here we go. I have it at 76. And this is just a quick turnaround exercise. We do the eighth notes and then the 2 quintuplets, and then we're good. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's at 76. Now make sure that you've watched all the quick studies on Rasgueado to understand the different mechanics. And this one, when I use my pinky, I don't go from my thumb, I go from the palm of my hand because I have a hard time fitting all my fingers on my thumb. It feels really weird, so I do from my palm when I do pinky Rasgueados, okay? So this is at 108. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there we go. Enjoy the work. Let me know what questions you have, and yeah, anything. Okay, let me know. Thanks. Bye.